Bob cut. A classic, versatile style suitable for everyday and formal occasions. Pixie cut. Perfect for those who prefer a low maintenance and trendy look. Long layers. Adds volume and movement, ideal for those with long hair. Bangs, fringe. Frames the face and adds a youthful touch. Updo. Suitable for formal events and weddings. Ponytail. Great for sports, exercise, and casual settings. Braids. Used for both casual and formal looks, with various styles like French or Dutch braids. Bun. Popular for work, yoga, and formal occasions. Layered bob. Adds volume, perfect for fine hair. Beach waves. Ideal for a relaxed, casual look. Half up, half down. Suitable for semi-formal events. French twist. A classic choice for formal and professional events. List of common men's hairstyles. Crew cut. A simple low-maintenance haircut, suitable for all occasions. Buzz cut. Ideal for a clean, military-inspired look. Undercut. trendy and stylish, popular for casual and formal settings. Pompadour. A classic, voluminous style for a polished appearance. Side part. Great for a professional and elegant look. Man bun. Suitable for longer hair, popular in casual and artistic circles. Fade. A versatile and modern haircut, great for a clean finish. Caesar cut. Ideal for a short, textured style with a straight fringe. Quiff. Adds height and volume, perfect for a stylish modern look. Slick back. Suitable for a polished, sophisticated appearance. French crop. A low-maintenance style with a textured fringe. Mullet. A bold, retro look, shorter at the front and longer at the back. Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.